Not very warm today. It started off below freezing in most areas and not very warm this afternoon. A lot of places had a hard time even getting to 40 degrees. May not have even made it there in some spots. You see 41 right now in McAllen, but a lot of 30s, 37 in Brownsville, Harlingen, Weslaco, and Raymondville. And so it is chilly out there. The air is also very dry, and so that also will help to allow temperatures to cool some this evening. The wind speeds are fairly light. There's a bit of a breeze still in the Willacy and Cameron counties, and near the coast it is rather breezy at times around South Padre Island. But overall, this is better than yesterday when we had still those gusts around 30 or 40 miles per hour. Lows tonight will be chilly again. Upper 20s are possible in Starr County. I think about 29 in Rio Grande City, 29 in Roma, and 28 in San Ysidro. Yeah, you look at this and you think it's going to be super cold, but what I think will happen is we'll kind of be hanging in the 30s most of tonight. We may kind of start to drop then below freezing late tonight after, say, maybe 1 or 2 in the morning. So unlike last night when basically it was cold and drizzly and already below freezing by sunset, tonight we're still in the 30s with dry weather, but it will tend to maybe fall off later tonight to near or below freezing for a few hours. So about 30 for a low when you wake up tomorrow morning in Edinburgh and in Elsa, Weslaco, about 31 in McAllen, and mostly in the low 30s in Cameron County. Might get down to about 29 or so in Raymondville, and then 40s right along the coast at South Padre Island. Your day planner, tomorrow's not going to be very much of a warm day either. We'll start off near freezing in the morning. Clouds will probably be around all day. We should start off with dry weather, but as the day goes on, the chances for rain goes up. So about 37 at noon, a high near 41. But I think as you get toward noon and later, the chances for rain, say, are maybe 10% at noon and maybe more like 40% by 5 p.m. and getting higher tomorrow night. So by later tomorrow night, there could be some light rain or drizzle around. Temperatures kind of hold near 40 degrees, I think, most of tomorrow evening. Some blue on there. Don't get too excited, though. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Here comes the snow again. Technically, that probably is snow on the map, but the clouds are up here, we're down here, and there's a lot of dry air in between. So the snowflakes that you kind of see in northern Starr County on the map and Brooks and Jim Hogg counties, probably none of them or very few of them made it to the ground. So, and not setting up for a snowy evening. You know, maybe if you're north of the valley, you might see 1 or 2 snowflakes come out of those clouds before they evaporate. Tonight, though, it looks mainly dry. Clouds around. You see some sprinkles or a shower offshore. The cold weather stays in place. It will still be near freezing. Tomorrow morning, maybe a little sprinkle or some drizzle near the coast. And again, most of the morning looks dry, but you notice by afternoon, 2 p.m., the showers start to creep back in later in the afternoon and evening. So showers are more likely, I think, near sunset, especially in tomorrow evening and night. And you notice there's a lot more green by Friday morning. There's an upper level disturbance coming through, also kind of maybe a little weak disturbance near the coast here at the surface, and all that combining to maybe increase our shower chances late Thursday night and Friday. So wouldn't be surprised to just be kind of a wet, cold start to Friday, but the disturbance should move away, so we might actually dry out later Friday afternoon and evening for plans if you have maybe some plans Friday night. After that, I think any showers should be getting pushed away, even though Future Track has a couple near the coast. There might be some drizzle if we have some low cloud Saturday morning, but I think Saturday is a drier day. Eventually, some sun could break through by afternoon to get temperatures back up probably closer to 70 or so in most areas. So the first 1570 forecast, cold tomorrow again. I mean, it might be slightly warmer than today, high of 41, but starting off near freezing in the morning. Friday looks like a cold day too initially, but we might get back into the low 50s, but clouds and some showers around, especially in the morning. Saturday, we could start to break out of the clouds by afternoon, up around 75 degrees. Sunday, by far, is probably the sunniest, warmest day. Highs near 80 on Sunday. There's a weak cold front that goes through kind of Sunday night and Monday. It doesn't do much, drops temperatures maybe 10 degrees or so, but no blast of cold air. Highs still near 70 early next week, and maybe some showers again by Wednesday. We'll track the cold weather as it's on its way out in your first 1-5 forecast again coming up.